Okay, we are very happy to tell that now we have come to the club level awards, the RI Theme Promotion Award. I request Anita Kaulgud to please take over.
Thank you, Pradeep ji. I have eminent guests today and the esteemed audience. I'm very afternoon. We are just past 12, so good afternoon. The Rotary International President every year presents a theme which is taken up by the Rotary clubs all over the world as their guidepost. Rotary International President brings with him a vision that is his unique signature to the canvas of Rotary. It is like a jeweler cutting a new facet to the precious stone to bring forth more shine and enhance the beauty. As we all know, RI President Mark Melani's theme for the year 2019-20 is Rotary Connects the World. Connection is what lies at the heart of Rotary experience. It is what brings us to Rotary. It is why we stay in Rotary, and it is how we grow Rotary. In 2019 and 20, it has been our challenge to strengthen the various ways that Rotary connects the world. So, to make a unique impact this year, we at the International Service and Peace and RI Theme Promotion Committee have promoted certain initiatives. We gave the presidents a short write-up about the RI theme at the very beginning of their year to be read at their installations. So, and we also provided a link to the short video where the RI president unveiled his theme. We urged these people to connect with the presidents of 1920 across the globe on the RI website. We urged them to connect with the Rotarians in the neighboring districts. We asked them to mold their projects and the various aspects of Rotary to the theme of the year. As a culmination of all these initiatives, we have decided to felicitate and recognize the clubs that have done this promotion in its very essence of the theme. So I'm very pleased to announce the names of the clubs that have promoted these theme. Now, first, we have the Rotary Club of Nigri. Congratulations, President Rotarian Vijay Kalbhor. Now, the
Congratulations.
second name that is, it goes to Rotary Club of Pune Nagar Road. President, congratulations, President Milind Bhosure. So these were selected on the basis of application received and the criteria that our committee had decided upon. So thank you very much. And now I hand over the proceedings to Rotarian Pradeep Dange for the next award. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anita. Now this is another award we are announcing today. This is an award to the club that contributed maximum to international service revenue of District 3131 during 2019-20. I'm very happy to mention that there were 18 clubs competing for this award. The club we had selected is the club that is very actively participated in all our initiatives and activities. Almost all the members of this club spent their valuable time and energy for our events. Moreover, the club also sponsors some of our events. And District 3131 people could imagine this club is none other than Rotary Club of Pune Shivajinagar. Congratulations, Rotary Club of Pune Shivajinagar. I request President Anjali Ravetkar to virtually accept our award. The same will be sent to you in due course of time and within near future. Thank you very much. Thanks, Rotary, and over to Pradeep Park.
Good. Congratulations to all the award winners. You have shown exemplary application to the Rotary's focus area of peace. Thank you very much. We are back to the smiling face.
Yes, thanks Pradeep. Thanks again. And this is the third quiz, and I hope now attendees are well versed to fastest finger first. My third question to all of you is, which university offers Rotary Peace Fellowship? Option 1, University of Calgary. Option 2, Chulalongkorn University, Thailand. And option 3, Singapore University. So we have, and here is the winner. Just a minute. Yes, we have a winner straight away, Mr. Vijay Gholap. Congratulations, Mr. Vijay.
Congratulations to all the winners. You will be getting your gift coupons in your email shortly. Thank you very much for having participated.
Pradeep ji, please unmute. Pradeep, please unmute. You're muted. Pradeep, please unmute.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry. I wanted to congratulate all the winners of the district awards and also the quiz. The quiz winners will be sent their gift coupons shortly on email. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to an interesting part of our presentation. I'm pleased to introduce to you District Governor-elect of RID 3131, Rashmi Kulkarni. She and her husband, PDJ Vinay Kulkarni, are the first Ashklumf couple member of our district. We are proud of Rashmi, as she's the first lady district governor of this district. She's a lady with great vision and passion, who's going to lead us into the year of 2020-21. DG Rashmi has been a pillar of the Rotary Youth Exchange programs of our district. I welcome DG Rashmi Kulkarni now to tell us about the way forward, how she plans, what is her vision to take forward international service under her leadership. Over to you, Rashmi. Oh, I am to continue your slides. Sorry, I have to continue your slides, yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes. You can just tell me next slide whenever you want to move.
Fine, great. So, my dear friend, it's my great pleasure to see you all safe and healthy in this mega event. And I am honored to be here, and I thank Convener Pradeep and organizers for inviting me and give opportunity to share my thoughts on this prestigious platform. District Governor Ravi, Convener Pradeep, all stalwart speakers, Rotarians from other districts, Rotarians from 3131, Host Club, Nigdi Rotarians, all my friends from Rotary, very good afternoon. Next. Friends, International Service Avenue is as old as Rotary International. The internationality is most important feature of Rotary. And hence a new chair has been created, DISC. We are fortunate enough that PDJ Abhay Gadgir accepted that post. So DISC is District International Service Chair. We will do many international projects with the strong team. Next, I'll just introduce team. You can read it out. I'll not take the name. Next. Yeah. Before moving ahead, one must know projects like eradication of polio and all other projects in 6 focus areas. Now you know those because so many speakers told about him. So in focus areas, are possible only because of internationally participation of Rotary clubs. Otherwise, it could have not possible. Yeah. So this is the scope of international service. What is in it? Rotary Volunteers International Recreation Fellowship, International Family Exchange, International Convention, District Resource Network, Global Rewards Events and Awards, and International Global Grant Project. So what exactly District International Committee is giving you services in that? Please next. Yeah. So these are 7 committees at district level. With these committees, we are going to help you to do something in international services. So first is Rotary Volunteers. Committee is going to register Rotary volunteers with Rotary International who will render their services as volunteers on international level. We will also invite volunteers for our club projects also. Second one is International Recreational Fellowship. District will register our members in various international recreational fellowship groups. These are groups of various hobbies such as cycling, trekking, etc. And fellowship groups such as drama, dance, international this will partnership. Now I must mention that we do same for youth exchange, that is Rotary Youth Exchange. That age group is 15 to 18, and other program is also NGSC, that is for after the graduation, and that age group is 18 to 28. Thanks a lot for excellent virtual convention of this year, but we will try that maximum numbers from our district will attend international convention 2021. Audio is not clear, so should I make it my video close?
I think that will be helpful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Please close your video.
Audio is not clear.
Now it's okay. Carry on.
Okay. Should I repeat something? Yeah. Should I repeat something?
No, you can continue.
So international. So I was telling about International Family Exchange. Under this fantastic scheme, our district member will visit and stay in foreign families, and similarly they will visit our country and stay in our family. This will help us to understand their culture and lifestyle, and also for global grant project partnership. I am so much thankful to PDG Krishnanji for overwhelming about Rotary Youth Exchange program. Yeah, and there is another program that New Generation Service Exchange program. What that is for 18 to 28. Thank you so much, Krishnanji. I am passionate about Rotary Youth Exchange program. Everyone knows it from my district. International convention. I promise that we will attend international convention in June 2021 at New Taipei, Taiwan. Every year about 30,000 to 40,000 members join all over the world. From India, average presentee attendance is 500 to 1,000 attendees. So we will try our level best to attend the convention in New Taipei. Now am I audible?
Yeah.
District Resource Network. We will identify talents from our district in various fields who will help in various projects. This will consist of Rotarians, Rotractors, alumni, and non-Rotarians also. So now alumni will be Rotary Youth Exchange alumni, can be NGSC, Group Study Exchange alumni also. Global Rewards is an excellent avenue that our members will take benefits from Global Rewards program of Rotary International, and will get maximum discounts in the scheme. The vendor will also contribute to our member will also register their businesses in their program. Excellent example is Zoom package. Nowadays, we are doing all virtual meetings in Zoom packages. So we are getting 20% discount for Zoom, and Zoom vendor is contributing to Rotary Foundation as well. Other now that this is new vertical, that is global grant partner. We will help our clubs to find partners for global grant projects. This avenue will also guide the clubs in identifying and screening of global grant projects for their eligibility. Global grant committee is separate. Just try to understand. But previous identification of project and finding the partner, that will be done by this committee. In this committee, we have adopted strategic plan suggested by Rotary International. Therefore, I am happy to say that International Service Director of current year, who is also convener for this Peace Symposium, will act as a mentor international service avenue. Pradeep, so that is for you. Are you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for acknowledging.
Yeah. So I like the statement from PDG Krishnan that be violent, nothing can happen except enthusiasm. So that was excellent quote from him. Last but not least, our excuse me. So last one is District Resources Network. So that is DRN. To form network of Rotarians and non-Rotarians in the district having different skills, qualities and expertise, etc. These experts will be available to work together in planning, funding, implementation and executing international service projects. So friends, this is the fantastic avenue in which I am looking forward to work passionately. All my best wishes and thanks for patient hearing. Thank you very much. Thanks again.
Thank you, DG Rashmi Kulkarni. You have been very kind to spare your time. We appreciate the wonderful avenue which you are now shaping up. I'm quite impressed by the enthusiasm. I told our committee that it is going to be a great presentation today from you. Thank you very much.